Bathroom furniture information. Bathroom furniture refers to the various pieces of furniture that are designed to be used in bathrooms. These pieces of furniture may include cabinets, vanities, shelves, and other storage solutions, as well as seating options such as stools and benches. Bathroom furniture is typically made from materials that can withstand the humid and wet conditions of a bathroom, such as wood, metal, or plastic. Some bathroom furniture may also be designed to be water-resistant or waterproof, to ensure that it can hold up to exposure to water and moisture. When choosing bathroom furniture, it is important to consider both style and functionality. Bathroom furniture should complement the overall design of the bathroom while also providing the necessary storage and organization solutions for towels, toiletries, and other bathroom essentials. Common types of bathroom furniture include bathroom vanities. These are typically the centerpiece of a bathroom and can provide storage space for toiletries, towels, and other items. Medicine cabinets. These are wall-mounted cabinets that can be used to store medications, first aid supplies, and other small items. Linen cabinets. These are tall, narrow cabinets that are designed to store towels and other linens. Shelving units. These can be used to store towels, toiletries, and other items, and can be either freestanding or wall-mounted. Seating. Bathroom seating options may include stools, benches, or chairs, and can be used for putting on shoes or simply relaxing in the bathroom. Overall, bathroom furniture can be an important component of a well-designed and functional bathroom, providing storage and organization solutions while also adding to the overall style and aesthetic of the space.